Snapshot. Get you an 18 hour exclusive in. After a stalled attempt in 2012, Mumbai-based local search engine Just Dial is planning to tap the capital markets once again with approximately 900 crores of an initial public offering. The issue is expected to hit the markets in the next few weeks. Megha Chadha is standing by with more details. Megha, what are you picking up from your sources?
Thanks very much for that. Tanvi, like you rightly pointed, we are expecting that the Just Dial IPO is possibly going to hit the markets by second week of May. This IPO is a secondary sale of shares which offers the PE investors, and there are about close to 4 PE investors in the company, an exit route. So what's going to happen is that the IPO is going to be of about 1.7 crore rupees, 1.73 crore shares. What they're looking to raise is close to 160 to 180 million dollars, which roughly translates to about 880 to 900 crore rupees. Now, 1.73 crore shares are about 25% of the shares outstanding. So, in all, the market capitalization of the company is likely to be in that range of 3,500 to 3,960 crores. Well, in addition to the promoter holding right now, which stands at about 37%, you also have Tiger Global Management, SAF Partners, Sequoia as Capital, as well as SAP, who have invested in the company, and they are looking to partly exit their current holdings. So in the IPO, you have promoters who will be looking to exit about 4% of their current stake. SAF would be looking to exit about 8.5%, Tiger Global about 6.5%, as well as Sequoia Capital would be bringing down its holding by about 5.5%. None of these PE investors are exiting the company entirely. They will still continue to hold on to the investment in the company, but of course bring down the stake. What our sources tell us is that the promoters of the company are in talk with both domestic as well as foreign institutional investors, and the investor community really is pegging it in tandem with some of the listed peers like Info Edge. There has been some strong interest that's been expressed by foreign investors, the likes of a Fidelity, a Prudential as well have expressed interest. But in terms of by when they do come on board, if and when rather, as anchor investors, needs to be watched. Now we're just waiting for the final card from SEBI to come through, and of course we'll have more details coming through. Even in terms of the price band, those details would of course come in closer to the date of the IPO.
No, Megha, thanks a lot, and I'm sure you'll be on top of it and will bring us the details as and when they emerge as well. But thanks for this heads up. So it's an 18-hour exclusive. Just Dial IPO may come in a few weeks from now, possibly in the month of May. The sum that they may raise would be around 900 crore rupees. Interesting. After Info Edge, it kind of died down, a couple of smaller ones as well. This one could be large by itself. Let's take that break actually. We'll just come back after a very quick break, get in Sandeep's and Prakash's recommendations and special focus on the FNO